Students, now you are going to learn practical geometry topic construction of quadrilaterals. First, you have to know about quadrilaterals. A polygon that is formed by four sides is called a quadrilateral. A diagram enclosed with four line segments. Okay, that is called a quadrilateral. Formula area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to half into D into H1 plus H2. D, that is the diagonal. D means diagonal. H1 and H2 is the height, the distance between furthest height. Diagonal to this point. Yes, diagonal to this point. This is H1, H2. H1 and H2 are heights. D is a diagonal. Students, now you are going to learn exercise 5.4. First problem. Yes, construct a quadrilateral with the given measurements. So that is ABCD. AB is equal to 5 centimeter, BC is equal to 4.5 centimeter, CD is equal to 3.8 centimeter, DA is equal to 4.4 centimeter and AC is equal to 6.2 centimeter. The second problem, play. Construct a quadrilateral play. PL is equal to 7 centimeter, LA is equal to 6 centimeter, AY is equal to 6 centimeter, PA is equal to 8 centimeter, LY is equal to 7 centimeter. You have to know, you have to learn these two problems. Okay, these two problems only you have to learn. For this next class we will see in the next class. Students, full and full you have to use only pencil. Okay, pencil is not visible for this video, so I used here pen, refill pen. Okay, you have to use only pencil for this diagram side, right hand side. Okay, students, have you understood? Yes, for given, write with pencil, rough diagram, the measurements, diagram, everything you have to use only pencil. Okay, now given you have to take from the question. AB is equal to 5 centimeter, BC is equal to 4.5 centimeter, CD is equal to 3.8 centimeter, DA is equal to 4.4 centimeter, AC is equal to 6.2 centimeter. Okay, students, then given you have to write near the margin. Then rough diagram, this corner. Okay, right hand side corner. Rough diagram, then you have to draw the rough diagram quadrilateral. Without measurement, you have to draw one quadrilateral. Okay, quadrilateral means enclosed with four line segment A, B, C, D. Then denote the measurements AB 5 centimeter, BC 4.5 centimeter, CD 3.8 centimeter, DA 4.4 centimeter, AC 6.2 centimeter. Okay, this is the diagonal. Diagonal means we have to join the opposite vertices. We get the diagonal. Okay, students, for this is the rough diagram. Then you have to give the heading fair diagram. Then middle you have to draw the diagram in the middle. Students, in the fair diagram, first you have to construct the triangle. Okay, first you have to construct this triangle. For any quadrilateral, first you have to construct this triangle. Okay, then we have to complete this remaining part. First you have to construct A, B, C. Okay, students, you have to refer with the rough diagram. First you have to draw the line segment AB is equal to 5 centimeter. With the help of ruler and pencil, you have to draw the line segment AB is equal to 5 centimeter. You know how to measure. Yes, first you have to draw the line segment AB is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, this is the first step. Draw a line segment AB is equal to 5 centimeter. Then you have to write the measurement AB is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, students. Then what is given? BC is equal to 4.5 centimeter, AC is equal to 6.2 centimeter. Okay, now with the help of pencil and compass, okay, pencil, compass and scale. Okay, you have to measure 6.2 centimeter. How to measure 6.2 centimeter? Okay, yes, you have to measure. You know how to measure, yes. Keep the compass needle on 0, then 6.2 centimeter. 6 after 2 small lines. Okay, 6.2 centimeter. Have you understood, students? Yes, 0, it is 6.1, 6.2 centimeter. Okay, now what does AC is equal to 6.2 centimeter, then keep the compass needle on A. Okay, keep the compass needle on A. You have to draw one arc. Okay, have you understood? Keep the compass needle on A. We measured 6.2 centimeter, Keep the compass needle on A. Draw one arc. Okay, then with the help of scale, again you have to measure for this measurement 4. Students, now you have to measure 4.5 centimeter. Keep the compass needle on 0. You have to measure 4. Keep it properly. Okay. Yes, 4.5. 4.5 centimeter. Yes. For BC 4.5 centimeter. So keep the compass needle on. We draw another arc. Okay, then these two arcs intersecting point, you have to mark this intersecting point. This is C. Okay, this is C. Now you have to join AC. Okay, students, you have to join AC and BC. Students, join AC and BC. Okay, you get the triangle ABC. Okay, now you have to construct the another triangle ACD. Okay, how you have to construct this triangle? First, take A and C as center. Draw an arc of radius 4.4 centimeter and 3.8 centimeter. Students, now you have to measure 3.8 centimeter. Students, now you have to measure 3.8 centimeter. Okay, you have to measure 3.8. 3 after 8 small lines, 3.8 centimeter. The compass needle keep on C. Draw one arc. Okay. Then you have to measure 4.4 centimeter. Okay. Keep the compass needle on A. Then you have to draw another arc. Okay. You have to mark this intersecting point. Mark this intersecting point. This is D. Now you have to join AD with the help of ruler. Ruler means scale. Okay, with the help of ruler you have to join AD and CD. You have to join AD and CD. Students, now you get the quadrilateral ABCD. You have to denote all the measurement. It is 5 centimeter. Yes, for this is 4.5 centimeter. For this is 3.8 centimeter. This is 4.4 centimeter. This is 6.2 centimeter. Okay, students. Yes. Now you have to draw the height. Okay, altitude we have to draw. Listen, students, how to draw the altitude. You have to use this set squares. Okay, this name is a set squares. Okay, for you have to use any one of the set square, place on the diagonal. You have to place like this on the diagonal. Then you have to use two hands. I am used here only one hand. Okay, you have to use two hands. So keep this set square tightly. Then you have to use this another set square, keep on a right angle position. Right angle position means like this L shape. Yes, keep on this corner. Yes, now press this set square tightly, then slide the set square. Okay, you have to slide the set square towards the point D. Okay, yes, how to draw the altitude? You have to use these two set square. Using this set square, any one of the set square place on the diagonal. Yes, press this tightly, then another set square keep on a right angle position. Yes, looks like a right angle position. Keep on the point C. Okay, yes, now tightly hold this set square, then another one set square you have to slide. Okay, like this you have to slide towards the point C. Okay, without shaking this two set squares, you have to draw the altitude. Okay, hold these two, then you have to draw the altitude. Okay, like this you have to draw the altitude. Listen students, yes, press this tightly, then you have to draw the altitude. Okay, now you get this altitude, you have to denote 90 degree. Altitude means, you know, perpendicular line. You have to denote 90 degree. The square box denotes 90 degree. The same way you have to draw the another one altitude. Yes, keep like this for this set square, like this, keep like this. Then another one set square, keep on a right angle position. Yes, now keep like this. Now press this tightly, then you have to slide this set square. Okay, you have to slide like this towards the point B. Okay, hold these two tightly, then you have to draw the perpendicular line. Okay students, yes, students listen, for we get two altitudes. We draw two altitudes. Then after finding this, you have to measure this measurement. Okay, yes, this is how much you get from here to here. You have to measure 2 point, how much students? 2.7. Okay, for this is 2.7. For this measurement you have to measure here to here 2.7. It is 3. Yes students, 3.5. Okay, this is 3.5. Students, after measuring this is 2.7 centimeter, I get this is 3.6 centimeter. You have to measure properly. Okay, for suppose you get 2.6, 3.5, 3.5, that also acceptable. 0.1 error is acceptable. Okay students, yes, for you have to denote, for this is any one of the lines, you have to take a H1, this is H2, for this is D, diagonal. Okay, yes, for using this measurement we have to find the area. Calculation we have to do this problem. Listen students, calculation part. Calculation, what measurement you get for your diagram. Yes, for a diagonal is fixed value. Yes, H1 and H2, we draw that altitudes. Yes, maybe we get the error. Yes, related to the diagram we get the error. Yes, error 0.1 error is acceptable. That's not a problem. Okay, so you have to get what value for H1 and H2. You have to use that value. Okay, now for this measurement we have to do this calculation. First you have to write area of the quadrilateral is equal to half into D into H1 plus H2 square units. That is half into D is 6.2 into H1 plus H2. H1 is 2.7, 3.6. You have to add these two, decimal addition. 7 plus 6, 13, balance 1, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6.3. It is 6.2. Cancelling is possible. You have to make cancel. 1, 2 is 2. 3, 2 are 6.1. Okay. 3.1. Now you have to make multiple 3.1 into 6.3. That is 1, 3 is 3. 3, 3 are 9. 1, 6 is 6. 6, 3 are 18. Normal multiplication. Yes. 3. 9 plus 6 is 15. Balance 1. 8 plus 1, 9. 1. 2 decimal places. 1, 2. 2 decimal places. You have to keep the 2 decimal places, that is 19.53 square centimeter. Okay, this calculation you have to do at the left hand side.